don't think it's a subject. The one thing is who's in Italy, only thing we are talking about is that we need them. You understand? The God is difficult sometimes to hear from him. You understand? And they also want to tell us that there's pressure on the church members, Christians, pressure on us. And they do for real now anything that they have. On that, didn't hear about Mammy sit so during the brother. The number of the air from the Fernando, the Anna Cobina, the share of so at this time, yeah, and yet because now for real and we also that's it. And then we'll talk about God. You understand? The God as well. Because you are bringing your harvest to God. I can't use God. And the Lua, to say some companies in the products. Now I said that I had said, what is it? It was a buy and get one free. As we are not to the price of the bottle one. So you understand? You should have opened some ties. Look like you should have opened I think we are free. But it's wrong to use God to entice. That's wrong. Teach the person God. Near a foreign and a watch. Then leave the rest to God. And leave the rest to God. What sharing that up. Then the Aforia and the also anything. Watch and I open. Now you can write at this one. It is a whole idea of and for real, and to say the Ubis got to man now, and as I called him first one, in this case, come. I go on and say, I go on there. More for real because we are never to improve in his grace into something. We believe say, Japan and Munukra, Yemfa, Emma, Ubia, on Fata, Satabia. We are Safia City, and I say, and my cousin. So we talk about Cassius, and not only I will not know. One because we said, but years to come, one party, I said, party is super ridiculous. So, and just a paper, yes, one more, who could do also on the sofa, and you can see, say, Ghana, suffering in the Africa, and yet, Nagopo, suffering our editing back. And now, we didn't say, Nagopo before. Now, when you move out upon anger, but most of the suffering that comes to we in the people of Africa, it comes because of bad leadership. Bad leadership. Leadership, no matter how you have money, Fabra will feel. What one will be? 1 hour. Would you try the yard? No. I don't know how to say, no. Also, would you get? We are not going to do so the foolishness starts from our family angle. And especially, and our family angle is parents, I'm talking about biological father and mother, I'm also come. Understand? On the minute, you should cross and bend time and then Bamba Yamana, who wait me after the matter. Until because I walk a to Ghana. Now, I want to Ghana. You need hospital beds. And the same man, they didn't to myself. No, that's only the man I want to follow. Maybe if you have no sense. I will have one for food. Now, we use number one eye. Well, any young plan, so, any young plan, we should not from India. So, Ghana, can you be so young MP, so young minister, so young man, so young vice. So, we will took on your class in dignity. We have to give work free. Ghana could draw. They would have about 275 MPs. I reckon. And then on one, as I have a minister, MCs, DCs, deputy ministers. And our MP is never be home. parliament or we pay you more staff. That's a was a over Canada aside. And you want a master now waiting to say, and what was say to be seen that. Sister Diana was a Marcus Hansen. And yes, all the 50 years in the museum was not to foundation. If you want to marry, and what would you say? Doing number one answer. And in Yansa, any husband Yansa, a new course, and a autonomy. There was a how to bring number one day. What does it? There is other was on our train, I put on Ganjo to do so. However, on Ganjo to do that. To all the young home, when you could go trains over the Rosa. And as I said, I wasn't behind Ganjo. So, it will shall Africa apply our women. Now you do the man the canny. Work with figure out to done our home, done any between the canny. And then the one side say, don't change the two. You understand? When you come to say, and you know, I mean, continue some phone of work because I'm not going to think about it. But husband also tell us, wife also tell us. Set a vision, I had it. You are, and the Kuno or your head, or your him, and I'm running the mouth. You understand? So I'm going to come along with you. It's all shut as well. The eye, the mass on awkward. Nansa, your whole medical on fact. So, catching up upon the already. When you can't come up with the same, you to go. Natively, Nekwa was Africa. I want to look at it. A lot of Africa from Ghana. And the challenges and the problems we are going through. And yet, that rough and go. The foolishness on our part. Because I saw them on the petition, and maybe people, yes, because of say, or no episode, they don't know, maybe you're down for you. And maybe and then the cause of the solution is that the man want to move you. Now, what happened? You see, the back African, you should Africa. Until you back home. Who do cast but the baby. We now to different Ghana, there were 16 branches. 16 branches. They're planning to bring their existing American 275 MPs. Asanya ministers, regional ministers, also 16. Regional ministers be also on the staff. And some deputy ministers also on the staff. Azania DCs and MCs will be also on the staff. Azania faster house one. You have my penalty. Also on the staff. Vice President on the staff. You should can see. Now one council music. One guy on their call. The Ghana say 16 MPs. Yes, 16 MPs. Celebrating the one MP. Not MP, not be a regional MP. Me and my minister come, no more coordinate. And I know that when the minister guy of my because between who said it's getting the crack at you. You're from Black Jesus. What's a way I'm much natural say? It's a setup on ya. Or mine now. It's a setup on the front. A bimushu and a brand. What does it? The same thing at your so what no. When you say this to Tua, and how the Brebusa, but it's not a way. Create a me and what to go there. In the next year of 10 years, we need now waking up. I feel you said waking up. Still not as what them cutting up on women's camp. And Jews and leaders in the church also a problem. Pastors, they be academics some. And in the double, said the iron material, cloth, they say heavenly and one in Jerusalem. Heavenly day.
And one in Jerusalem.
And a day cloth. Yansa. It's the aim of the tabernacle of God is in a man when you go on to Madame Yansa. And first Sunday, university. Last Sunday, we are Sabbath. Yansa. And then there's a 2 weeks. You need to say Mama cloth. Yansa. And then I saw him. And I'm saying bad leadership. I enter the same. I enter the same. Name for myself. As we could get go for a while. He was on new homes. We don't need a coffee. Yansa. Also, more and more I don't know. So he needs to some vice president, some of them whole Bahubia and others. Come of us. Obia Motona Adam from France and from Moss. What idea is simple. The wood dress and I, Mamma dress, maybe a traditional person. We say cutter, almost supposed to be a whole night white. I'm a cloth, 10 and it will be as stadium. Barcelona, today, and your food was on them. And hinting all quiet and the hour for solving the problem. But the midnight journey. I'm planning for 10 years of your life. Oh no, you don't know that. Black man on the sex 9 here. That sex is not for enjoyment. It's not for pleasure. It's for responsibilities. Jews are now about was minimum. Oh my Lord, was minimum. Only one. Now I don't know about for that. Baby, I'm talking about that. I'm not saying you drink or what we never eat. That's a big problem. Maybe see super good leaders, Mampany and Crawford. They have their part, that's all. Because Ghana expenditure, and also about. I think it was more in a region beyond 1 MP. What do you mean? Nanade. Madonna, you rule also. Mose, any be not a handful of traditional chips. You saw come. Pato Emwa 275 MPs. Next 4 years, so what time about end will be a thing as Garcia. Hey, oh my own soon. Now, Nakopo and Gina or 1 man. Never lie. This one over. Nigeria Kakraka. And it's getting a champion worker. That's a way of expenditure. A don't see income is already here. 2 major about. So, what is this one? What would be offer to get resources? What would be offer to get money? A big young open Bombay contract. What would be offer? What do you Uto light, Uto Biane, Uto Pabua, Uto Satellite by Jacka, more like Jacka, Obadiah, Samuel Buja, who will be out of. And it's already here, so that's all. So then, over as of now, I will send the pastor in charge. You say, I say, yeah, you have more. And one, I saw programs on the air running. And I have a no business in the answer. Nassage offering, if you are a tight, the better. But wow, Nippon. But you are Kusua Hokkien. The one now here in this cousin with you. For Ghana, now upon us, I come and move up and talk of planning your pictures. It's a really bad. Being a little and I jump up to say, men do get this with successful. One is also a catcher. It's not over anything. Never watch it. Omnipotence.
Yeah.
Watch that. Can
Deuteronomy 24, verse 15. wɔsi da wɔyɛ adwuma no
da wɔyɛ adwuma
ala na ma na paadeɛ
ma na paadeɛ
na mo wi ankoto so
ɛmo wi ankoto so
ɛbi so odi hia
ɛbi so mɛsɛ kɔ bɛsɛ wɔanyɛ na odi hia
ɔde n'ani ato so
ɛhɛ
na wɔn so afɛ awurade ntia wo
wate
na nane ɔbɔne
wate nti wobɛdi ɔpa akatua nti sɛ ministry wo nya adwuma bia how do you pay mo say na yɛ trouble ne de aso na yɛ akɔm nti ɔno wie GHS na wɔn Ghana minimum wage ɛyɛ 11.82 so no bi ayɛ adwuma one day because GHS no ɔyɛ under 8 nti ɛmfa no adwuma aban mfa no adwuma nanso GHS ne nyɛ nso ɔwie GHS no ɛsɛ wɔde 27 years nti wafa sɛ that aban ma wɔ adwuma because GHS certificate no yɛne go pay nanso sɛ ɔfo bi ne yɛ adwuma ɔtate so Ghana ha minimum wage no wɔntwa no kakra ne yɛ 11.82 Ghana cedis ɔnte dɛ sɛ and so we really just not to answer can we say multiply 11.82 by 31 we be not 300 and almost 3.2 and no better than man too but we will take you one on your matter. I am telling you the black man is serving a sorcerer's god, a sorcery god who show the way of doing things. We a young girlfriend also shaka wa bona wedding program no wedding and yet wedding now are you a program I feel now who be pobra o fair born make my triplets oba ya wo ba e free da be wo no obanyam no wa na be show abuchi oyere wo a Canada say oyere wo maternity leave the 1 year 6 months adwuma na wo ye no etua ka so open 1 year betua ka full pay but so open 1 year 6 months na 6 months no on be spread you pay no say you be cover 1 year 6 months aha wo wa na wo show ba our triplets aya wasem wo ba yare ya aya wasem ya you will have insurance but health insurance in a disguise na drew bia na health insurance cover ne bibia na wo ye lab wo ko hospital wo ya health insurance cover lab yẹn nyina de cover nti ọmọ so kakra the country bi bi yẹn nyɛ ne saa sɛ wo ba wontumi nhwɛ na aban wɔ nneɛma a wɔn yɛ wɔn de apra no kɔmpo akɔ na agba na asɛn aha yɛ ni bibi asa wɔ ha aha wo wɔ 3 months wo kɔ adwuma wa wɔ 3 months wo kɔ adwuma mo a teacher ni wɔn a ebi tua ne ka for 3 months no but 3 months nso ɛsɛ ɔbɛ adwuma akwara a wɔde 3 months maame ni nya ne ba ne nto ɔda pan bɛ no no go help for more school ye bibia ye dendenden na e do how enti ama e mo cheke and am enti bi plan yi na da better so what we get just over the 3.2 a month tight here ye ti mo ka se jai because na ko zika ezo tua offer o be faka o be we let's say ni pa out so dem totally no obedi how did God solve this problem the brain wisdom nti na sɛ yɛma wo sua adwuma because sɛ woanyɛ aba adwuma a ne kyerɛ sɛ ka wobɛ kristo bi paa ɔno ɔnyɛ obi adwuma ɔyɛ creative Christians are creative and sɛ aban kora bɛfɛ adwuma a aban adwuma na ɔde ma yɛ no it is so much important that ɛbɛfɛkye yɛ more because yɛ creativity na the gifting of the Holy Spirit in us they say aberante na wɔde 27 years now ɔbɛ gye kyes mɛyɛ dan apɛne sɛ sɛ ɔwa now I shall why now what is wrong because according to Nyankopɔn because aboa na opera you na me yɛ dɛbɛ nti obia bedi na dwuma so kaketua this is what God has said you expect me to change it this is what God has said hwehwɛ ne kan then will be
you told me
that's what we are trying to
okay
kaba kono ko obia bedi ne breast waketua obre odwuma wo yɛ no masa nti aba so na yɛ bɔ mpan o bɔ mpan na yɛ yes o bɔ mpan na yɛ sani o sani sɛ yɛ de wɔn wie so akodu JHS o SHS ɛdɛ ne ma na bɛ tɔn sisan o sisan de yes mo nka mi ma se because me na wo sɛ mo yɛ sɔsɔ ne sa akɔm na mo yɛ no akosonso because na watch na adwe watch yana o say ma wakatu ya so ni that's ya mama na boso o ma ga o bua sana unya ko say or your principle God, for example, yes, we did there was 2,000 years now. And who are yes, apart from the Udia, or na Obama found it, said, now, Warren. Young for Obia, won't deserve an office and concern office. That's a big problem. So, Ghana, Africa, they help plan about it in Google. You didn't plan about it. You're planning for regional minister. Cast dignity. Will be a fool. Any anti or minor political party mind. Total. The war now, what here, out in, or your church member, but we are DHS. At the same way, we can do it as an amount. Because now, upon your mom, my money to confuse over. And I know we get your own, what do you find the budget? Now, gives the only car budget. This year. My plan is say, the preference and this year, my plan is say, me now 1 billion. 1 billion no. Now, my home say me part 10, make much in this car. Now, all that become budget. Africa, with the who, you know, so you conceive 10 months, and the way, you understand? Now, why your budget? Now, we try in budget, not in the budget. Why, yeah, at the grant, I took my mouth, yeah, but you can't budget. That is a complete. What do you mean, answer? Obi obsessed with being answer. I want to be a cost was on them, and then God marriage, and then the open that issue. What said? And my opinion said, oh, I have one. Poverty solution is not marriage. Put your value for me. Here one, now I didn't know how water. Poverty, its solution is not marriage. Unishi, what next are them? When you say to never them. So one clean here, I don't know your master Munza. Rust and rusted. Into the car, our air was heat, no, and you foot through ever. Once I came from the chamber, air was because rules me, there's no foot too much. And the year in now, foot water. Very was shine on it. Young girl, Madame Vina Mobra. Who could be a down? We let me a down. Obabit Mamma, no special challenge. Nothing a cheese cafe. Light bill, water bill. It is a good one who's at a pure light in the focus and what do you want to say? Because we will need answer. And now we are Christian. The proof of being a Christian is wisdom. Wisdom. One of the proof of being a child of God is how organized you are. When you're organized, God is a God of organized. So I represent God who is organized. Therefore, me too, I should be organized. And it's like harvesting. And the young people is going to you. What about here? Harvest you trap me one. Chairman no buy a would be an assassin, put you 1 month good. I mean, and here for 1 month in your harvest. General not take a cattle, February, so you go cool, would be 6 years, that's what I time. A blue cry 3 months, that's only 6 months. You understand? My raising. Now I get a check. You understand? Do you have women that come on the chair lessons? Young care, I feel number one. I feel I'll go one book, our real car, let's see our real answer. One bar, our real program. The choir offers one and 1 pop more. Now go for so. Papa, our arena Casawoka, our arena program, our arena Casa da Vimo. So that's all day. What day? If I'm a young buffalo, a pound fast one. Yes, quite fast water, a traditional. I say, let Casafa be you, bearing the yoke of Jesus. And to say, yes, Buffalo be in the room. Oh, my dear, asɛm bi anya kɔpɔn trɔtrɔ ɔne bɛyɛ adwuma madam te bɛyɛ adwuma na bɛwɔ
That's all.
no yan foforɔ poverty
Solution.
meka wotwerɛ
Poverty, solution is not marriage. Poverty, its solution is not marriage.
what I say do I ara ma watɔ pɛ ho asɛm dɛkɔ ɛnɛ ɛyɛ free education we wa free education but free but ɛnyɛ 100% free you understand ɛsɛ ɔfrɛ no sɛ ɔba no troubles no yɛtɔn mattress anaban de mattress ka
Never.
me nyinaa mɛtɔ me mede apra no kɔɔ school na school uniform ma so you have to get the child the school uniform kɔmputa aban de ba ɛde sɛ ka aban ma no tu a aban de ma ko na aba but akɔla ɔbɛtɔ akɔtena school to one but akwan so aban so atɔ go Ghana problem the dɔɔso Ghana problem ɛyɛ wohia problem na no dɔ wohia ne yɛ lack of wisdom yansa ɔsɛti wosi so young day ɔna ɔmo ntia na obi ahyia mo apɔ so ɛbɛ nya ɛyɛ gyini adepa bi ɛna nya fo every good and bad gift come from the Lord so you need to build yourself well young girl go school one and mema do saa na akɔnyɛ ɔbɛakɔnyɛ ma wie no bɛma bɛn na ɔno da 1 2 3 wanyɛ mo ɔbɛwa ɛsɛ gyini no ɛno ana ɔma ne yɛ a na ɔma ne bɛ I know one who was a family poverty. And the African might think that when Jimmy Manahian into a bath all day, not in Jessica. And the people quite force and the year pastor. It was a honor ever to offer a man to go or a pastor, me passing us, and so near Smith's walk. That's not very joke. What about a bath? You've been breaking down. What I see some goes more than Yankopon, tis a musical.
Look, let's get was not this for so bad no chance of more no catching and said, careful. Again, I know. No catcher one said, 1 year change the watch out one.
Martin, 1 year day.
1 year change the watch out one.
And you know, we could head more Ghana. Ghana, the air chapter one. I am more Malenta. But Ghana was the capital was 1.8. Now, course was JHS. I mean, just 1.8. I am as a
Yeah.
and come on,
I never saw.
dear Besson, competition.
Was the catcher one said, 1 year change the watch out one.
Madam Kind.
And he said unto them, is that no more than that which is appointed you?
Pedoti. Chill. And the place I didn't ever saw them. That's my actually. Tell you, now upon your omnipotence. You see, the omnipotent God is the only God, is the only one who has omnipotence. Who go come to you as one man, can you make my prosperity? None of us are power. Now, Mampania or your prosperity to my biam, the principality to me, a pen on one crew one. And Ghana, remember, the 2 million see Ghana border, on Kosuko. Togo deɛ so mma Ghana America deɛ mma Ghana but one thing they say America for no ɔno no tell us what abroad na ho but me influence so yeah the baby friend say yeah fa so what my influence on tell them good enti yɛ ma mpani na ho den nyine tumi nyina ɛkɔpem ifa Togo bona could go abroad and travel but nyankopɔn ɔno nkoa na betumi abotumi nyina
Wow.
Into ono kwa kasa ayebem papa ebit my other friends papa bit my prosperity na ma na power ozo papa kum kasa na ko bit masa yes na sa na ko no we omnipotence asafo ne ne dia
Okay.
asafo ne dey
Na go one there.
why there
Na go one there.
na ko mo dey omnipotence asafo ne why there
Na go one there.
hwese etia so dey na nyankopon ye omnipotence on asafo ne dia na Martin ye Kristo na watwa to say the yatwa to or enyem mfra na watsa as a person na why wedding obo wedding hoka almost 120,000 Ghanaians and 12,000 Ghanaians 120 million now the wallet ticket aduane a wɔnom ankɔfo di ntade a wɔtotɔ hyɛ kaa wokɔman dɛ hotel a wokɔdi ano mu ɔbɔ ka 12,000 Ghana cedis 12,000 Ghana cedis na nkɔbɔ de ma na wɔgye mu ebi a wo master sika ka school fees ka ntini ɛna meka no sɛ mohu nyankopɔn wo yɛsom di nyankopɔn a yɛnim ɛwɔ asɔre no nti yɛni nkwagye because foolishness ne yɛyɛ woba bɛba wɔyɛ na ɛtu kwan a wɔkɔ America ntade a wotɔɔyɛ a wode kɔ America nkɔ yɛ 12,000 Ghana cedis ɛhɔ so na ɛyɛ ntade nti obi ɛtu kwan wɔfa ntade sɛ bi ɛtu na ɔsɛ ma wɔbako na pound ɛkɔ na wo ha ne akɔntu na ɛno deɛ wɔyɛ de na asɔre no so te wo wɔ asɔfoɔ mpanimfoɔ aketesia young girl afei ne wɔware yɛsɛ be the page boy yɛsɛ brother tree today you are CEO tomorrow you are SEO mɛka nokore bi wɔm gyina hwɛ nyankopɔn abɔdeɛ no ɔno nyankopɔn se sika ɛwɔ ntaban wakasa nipa wɔ ntaban ɔsɛ de na wɔn sɛ sika ɛwɔ ntaban te sɛ ɔkɔreɛ wanka pɛtɛ wanka akorɔma ɔkɔreɛ wokɔ bɛs na ɛne aboa otumi fokɔ wiem otumi kɔ kyerɛ po a wɔtɔ kɔ 40,000 vip ɔtɔ ɛne nyankopɔn ka kyerɛ so sika wɔ ntaban sɛ ɔkɔre ɛsɛ ne sɛ kyerɛ mu yɛsɛ kyɛ wɔyɛ omnipotence nti wɔno deɛ waka no ɛna ɛfa na ɛne yɛsɛ di wo mu ate so ansa ne ɛhom sɛ woyɛ kristo no ɛsɛ woba kyɛkyere mu a nyankopɔn omnipotence ɛnyɛ adwuma ɔgyini bɛkɔbɔ mpae sika so mpaeɛ ɔkɔ sukuu wie GHS because of member 70 ɔbɛgya ketua sɛ 3.2 wongye ntra deɛ yɛtwa to wo enti ɛma azomu sɛ ɛbɔ sika so mpaeɛ yɛnto sika mfiri so obi a wɔnyɛ sika ɔfiri bia ɔyɛ adwuma mesate as a pastor na mefa fam ne kɔba kaa me dɛm no na awia sika nkɔtɔ mansesa asɔre sika nkɔtɔ adwuma na meyɛ ɛne nyankopɔn sɛ odwumafoɔ fota na kɛtwe mama nyankopɔn da ne magic ama wo you a fool but your sister ne po him ɛna wobɔ mpae nyankopɔn te still ɔma 5 million wode yɛde you fool. This is the yoke of the high priest because madam high priest no so which high priest now the interest and they say nyankopɔn before ma ndamaso me say
the interest
the yoke of the high priest is that the purpose of God will be fulfilled in his children. The high priest's interest is not to bring the wrath of God upon his people. Put it on Facebook. The interest of the high priest is not to bring the wrath of God upon the people. Tinyankopɔn high priest no ɔbɛrɛ Yesu ɔbɛda sɛ Nyankopɔn sɛ yɛ ɔno aso yɛ Nyankopɔn tí ɔbɛda so ɔbɛsɛ yɛ ɔnum sɛ bɛma ne ɔda ɔbɛnyam ɔnum saa diɛ na ɔdiɛ ahosɛsɛ no ɔba na ɔbɛkɔ so ɔdwin yes ɔbɛkɔ so ɔdwin
doing a master's level
saa na waka sika sɛ mo ase na wo ba bɛ wa ne abusa sɛ wo dan wo ɛnfa na ɔse ɔsɛ mete asta bɛyɛ de na bɛ ɔsɛ obi yɛ de wɔ bank na bank na ɛwɔ deɛ nti ɛma no wara ɔsɛ wo di sɛ ɔsɛ omi yɛ contract worker nti mi ma mi 7.2 na de bɛ pɔ ɔba wara wo de bɛ pɔ ɔba akɔfa na n'asɛ bɛ pɔ ɔba awara pasa na sɛ ɔyɛ adwuma hwɛ bra ɛyɛ sɛ wotumi hwɛ akwara no Ghana nkɔla ɔmo buru mu nua wo nkɔla no madam this pain on their eyes na sɛ yɛn de si voter nso yɛ yiri school from nkɔla school ɔmo bags na ɔmo books nyinaa na afɔ wɔn sɛ ade ne ba ti bi so yɛ yiri yɛ ɛfo bi ahwi but akɔla bi school aba bi yɛ because of that me wa aberanteɛ wɔ ma asɔre mu a onim baabi a ne maame wɔ ne papa so wɔ depending o si se ka mo so betumi fra asase so ja ma nti wo fra asase so na so ma is stranded we are foolish father we fool you know the church is so weak say wow I'm paying for you could have doctorate to be a professor no dia kwa na chi say e ka wo na ma ya no When you worry, where are your program? Where? Me can't tell me I move fully jam. Okay. So surround apart. Now go to my church. What you say? 2 cities. A child, Oko for a neck as I say, what is a wedding? Hey, Kakakumasi. What does it? Sir, let us say, Sika who Trafaka Quadraman, and say a cacre be done, Sika Copenhagen. And so you mean a car who bought our year program and dogs say, I'm a bonnet. What's the card? The genocide.
50 cities.
Tablet one. They say quite a more card because you pick computers. Some water. Let us say, who will be more? A car, as a walk and sand will run, less. You understand? Now, so far, what you want, and grace one that tap your goals one. This is satanic and great per se. What? Just a Jimmy, Jimmy. But the foot has them on the shade. It was what move. Sana pay Andrews, oh, why? Now, what are they? Andrews, who worry. You understand? Or what if you just say? And Andrews, I paid the part time was my account. And we'll lose your full 6. And I'm about to Java. Or what the Java, your friend, and the Java says the omnipotent God. Don't cancel it too. Don't cancel it because cancel on your back. Me see that 8 o'clock. Who's 8 o'clock when you come? And the 2 o'clock for them. Suddenly, I upon the year. Someone more. Madam J. John 5:19. Ne banner no. Over cancel the wine. Masabi, Ghana Mampo, some Mampania Sabra, and Jibia, between taxes, or Jibia to Abuan mine. Now they also don't try. Yet she won't be good jail. It is a Jesus and the Indian Papa, and we are omnipotence, and was see, men you are Katria and change the trauma. Bra, do what I would have been a system. What can you well, we'll say, it's off for time. Abrabo ain't yet free. Living life is not free. And you're correct.
You're correct.
What's up to feel? What's the way in a good English? Sometimes because I am a marking of English and that grammar, we are talking about spiritual language. Living life. Oh, Brabo, silent person, and you're free. What was I Ghana? You go, madam, you see, for the past 10 years, we not 100 Ghana. Hey, you do me no, Jimmy, because one man life. I mean, me spare me. Now to Bishop, she can't clear a bomb program. A child, I am born more than I said, me who are brantia or warrior. Ah, a dumb one poor dinasty, make said, yes, madam. Now, okay, we drive me out to town, so I'm punching out to the Susan and go to try to crack the crab. Ah, the Nabi get him now. We are going to be the gift. We will be in from 1 gun in the same. We will be in from 5 guns in the same. No, you became a fool. Who are you a fool? Until you take me for granted. It's Andrews. Me pay the part time come on no bush for. My papa, I was saying, pay very big. Papa, ne man, pictures are Ghana. I did a dance over him. Better. What was it? Kakumasi. What do you hear? What do you hear? So our little crab up probably the cocoa. Tama papa do the banner songs and one. Tama papa did the ban air songs. Tama moving a do mean. Opa American embassy. So was just a wow. Never pictures in the dance. Chede, no, I photo album. No, go high car, I drive a couple. Get no crying audio, I didn't know enough from Jimmy is the problem of the black man. The black. Desperate bay, so what? Now also the name. Something you know. Now, all you know, we are ready. What that? Some but because of your hair, Yankopon, what for Yankopon, your magical, or your magical. The omnipotent God says, and you will get to your and more the amount. When you catch on, What can say to the phone? Andrews, now the Echi, Moba, Abasako baby could they? Oh, I leave you. Yanza, I get your mobile, sorry, not me, Passer. See, Andrews Bra, a draw also bra. A Joanny Andrews and run a more yeah, come on. That you much the capacity maintenance, they say what is about it. When the more controversies, there be some and more members. You come if you have this like we are Sunday, a blessing. I'm not comparing. But now I am Joseph. On the Mary Jesus, who was sick. I don't know from here. Check our way. Go, Jeremiah, Quaben of us worry. Moving on. Do Jeremiah, or Quaben of us war. David, Quaben and the Papa's worry. Or David, Oba Africa, one hour David. We are full. Entertainment. I will see control. But what you would do, my own crop, meaning, you are ready to do. How to balance, and I'm in a very big any man will not challenge or go to be. So may you appreciate about cost over 20,000 Ghana cedis. Where is the money now? You will not be about the TV so. You buy a millions of cost. Hey, bra. When you be a farmer, I want to see Timothy. Because me and no more. Foolishness on the part of the black man. I want to make no too soon. Next year, I want to have a lose soon. But we are on the tunnel. A comment in Grandma. Kind.
John 5, verse 19. Then answered Jesus and said unto them, Verily, verily, I say unto you, the Son can do nothing of himself, but what he see the Father do, or what things soever he do, these also do the Son likewise.
What? What is it? Then or money? Sir, and I just say, you grow a catcher. And I just say, what you may phone editing. Andrews, yes, what's the same? Yes, Gabriel, what's the same? What's the day? And the idea also. But you have principles in that one. And the sense of nothing about what Casa was as an answer. The young upon one shot on, and one of the soul die. And then upon time, I would say, not so that is what we got. And after the Amona, you didn't do what you also die any some fun you have to Chimua is over the bar. Then you read out some day. Or ye maybe appointed when you was on. Now, some mobile captain himself when they say, was so that is a new yes, I saw them. I'll catch yourself. Say, look, you cannot remember your friend of mine. Before so I know. People are dreaming so much.
You got their phones.
So that I said, say what? Now you're married. Tinampo was inside the moment, or not so that that's what I saw you get my name of Kawai. Officially, I'm going to go to one. Young home. We'll visit a Gavuti. I'm bad. A Christian from Kwa and Oko Islamic weather. They work. Sure. What is the Africa Maserati? Etienne say about it. Musika. Musika was on by. Okay, what the Musika was by. And the refrain from Amon. A cow.
Verse 14. Was an answer for one Susan said. Yes, you ain't then.
First one was the same.
Or catch one said. One yin change what chat one.
Martin. Quite.
Now, staff one Susan said. Yes, you ain't then. Or catch one said. Munye will be a high, Munye will be a high. Because you want to do Bianoka. Makotian summon.
Makotian summon. Makotian summon. Tinamo say every day. I can do it. I made any amount of chat. 2 years to Emma. You see, I asɔfo mpanyinfoɔ ne ɔmo didi nkɔla yɛ akyi na nkɔla yɛ efu ne ayɛ hampa yɛ abrɛ pastors ne ayɛ ebi kura tɔ fridge kyɛ pastors fine nyinaa akata sɛ bi ka ne deɛ kyɛ ne maame totɔ fridge ne fine kyɛ asɔfo awari nso bɔ yɛn sɛ nka ɔmo wari gɛ na gye ne maame sika di ɔne mu no busa ne sɛ nti yɛ wari o maame wɔn bɛ yɛ di tiri bi a ɛhɔ na ne fon kɔ bɛn ne gɛ ne kɔ fa yɛ sɛ ne girlfriend ne friend ɔmo pɛ firi ɔne mu ma ɔne mu nkɔ yɛ di ada so ga ko pɛ hɔ na ɔte wote he na wo wari a wo kɔtara yɛ hwehwɛ ne mu ɔmo bɔ na mo me sɛ wo ɛti nti wo bɛti Nyankopɔn deɛ na wayɛ si mo fi no wo bɛti Nyankopɔn deɛ na wayɛ si na yɛdi fɛ wo asɔre dɛm ɔmo sɛ aka kyɛm sɛ mo nni ɛmboro makatua nti Nyankopɔn bɛyɛ wo dɛ ɔbɛtua ɔka wone deɛ hwɛ sutu aka wo level of knowledge adwuma na yɛyɛ no sɛdeɛ wo nyansa wɔ mu a wode boa na wode hu sɛm ɛna wode tua ɔka JHS ne pay SHS ne wɔn pay first degree for wɔn pay training teacher wɔn pay vida ɔyɛ certificate nurse wɔn pay wokɔ ne yɛ kyɛ a ɔbu mfu da nti wonwene ho sɛ saa nso na Nyankopɔn yɛ no ɛgya so dam ne yɛfa se ɛwade mbrɛ sika na wɔnyɛ adwuma saa kan bio
Luke 3 verse 12 was not to get from so bad say omonos no catch on say chechefo e dia na enye no catch on say money nche de wo twa to won
ko
na so afon so bisa say yenso enye den no catch on say money obi ala hehe nso mututu obi ano kwa na mo makotia so money
wate ebi wo bi ko ba ko na abo na wo pra wi no enche na madam kan wo de ni bi
Then answered John 5 verse 19. Then answered Jesus and said unto them, Verily, verily, I say unto you, the Son can do nothing of himself, but what he see the Father do. For what things soever he do, these also do the Son likewise.
Okay, now go on, Papa. Jehovah na also here. Genesis chapter 2, verse 24. Na ko hese musi choto. E ma hobi o de bi o de okay. Kind.
1 Corinthians chapter 9 verse number 8 was me ka ye ni pafem
me ka ye wo ni pafem
ana se mara no so kasa
enso mbra no so kasa ko
na watwere Mose mara no se
watwere Mose mra no se
enti na ntwe opro bro na no
enti hwan
na ntwe
o ye de
na opro ebro no ano
enti ebuo na na ntwe ne epro na se ye de be oti enti wo dwuma a wo ye no e de ma wo ye de be didi wana ye ntwe me ara wo ye now what just what done more? How are they? Oh, see that? Hey, Jesus, he is God, omnipotent in the castle. The castle be omnipotent. Oh, no, come on, the Wakayafana. Me, Paka say it means some. Loss, it means some. Are you here? You are the kind. Then you go for campaign where omnipotence. Do this some. Oh, soon you go for omnipotence. Natural say. Me the same adwene say the ono waka na yesa di me so because when he omnipotent I am not omnipotent, I'm just a pastor. I am not the one speaking, I am picking from the one talking, and the one talking is God himself, and he is omnipotent, and he says that the one who saw him and look at that some number from number warrior said yes.
Genesis 2:24. Therefore shall a man leave his father and his mother, and shall cleave unto his wife, and they shall be one flesh.
And said, "I'm going for me. That's what I want. You have a job on every mouth. Where they count?
There be.
What do they count?
Yes, that's right.
No, some class 6 Edward.
Hey, we are come at
How we are long. Now, yes, you're one from us in the person again. What are you from here? Oh, who David? One more who are apostles. Come in and first year one man. Everyone want to say what promise. And we are fully. On many cross 10 years, we must subscribe in our opposition. And 2, was this car on time? If 2, according to where is this car? And bounce in this few someone. Market, Ghana once again. Market, per 20 Ghana on the market. A bounce of market. Never chain. Never how many years a media son as about who is. What have you do? This car, a 2, who came to someone also. Nyankopɔn discaka ho budget ka ho because before can na akɔ asɔre nyina ne nyina ya budget am ɛna wode ayɛ wedding no wode ayɛ awareɛ program adeɛ ɛmfa yɛ ho na nketesie kɔ asɔre dɛm ɔmo yi nhwehwɛ ne mu ne awareɛ challenge wo yɛ wetumi so yɛ we wedding gown who signed for 2 hours what on 18 million and your foolishness now you tell you here answer me
Yo.
Maybe how I don't know what for why not desire tell you the one moving high priest no no go ni Jimmy Dawson the foolishness is too much I feel oh we are the first born no we are triplets second born no our twins I feel more certificate more one and more no no say na ko no ko sawa ni no na ba da wrede Sunday no because everybody and I ye mu so na Nyankopon ase na na me ye na do ye ko da amen and Nyankopon ye bia na me a me jina ha ende madam bonten da na de wrede aye wo na ka wa areko no say wo ba pasa ho ni su be ka da ware no ware no na be ka se ye de wrede aye now was you learn some near never ase because when I me na do ye be oh da and you see ye be you so near da wrede ase some say when I me wo ye na do ye so ye be oh da
Yo.
Jesus you kuno say nyansa bia mfi na go be free na sapo because money ye ho nyina because of say ya tetew no e ho amane wo ho Kristo nyama ne ani the sufferance of a Christian is the training to become like his father. Put it on Facebook. The sufferance of a Christian or the sufferance of a child of God is his training to become like his father. His training to know his father. That is all. But never to show you high president pet so the yoke of the high president said, you better tell me. Never name me papa. Never to me son. When you se say amane bebrebe en kore person wo sum Nyankopon madam ohienti omunti
Na
because wo won just fa kama hey ya pon so wo dia go me chest kan nyina cause obi have problem na on there obi have problem na say you hear problem the next sense of about sorry
and yeah ni ka to
ko o Jessica
mo bro
ala ni ko mo
Amen.
ah
yeah
ti akoya tambia no di tambia na chunga na no o wada chima fa fo yeah
The
ti one day we say o senya ko pepe so de veli chose na chunga na o de sa wonu de kala say obu a o transia o ba so no jan thank you because officer hanki here only 50 pesos so far 2 yeah
na bato
what's up to there's no hanky tinti o manage you because sika I want to my eat check o me no worry you dey put say try na way ego hin and then o because am na show am na go woni mpa sa na fiti no wo di si so bobo ka ana o ka dista ko ta dia ma ko ye so for penny owura Yesu ne dadwene ne say me no mi ye betimi anim no ya so no na ya sel na so ba ya na yiraba ne dadwene ne bi enti a Christopher nyina no be so asan ko mia wi ani Yesu so pani aso asan de so e na wiase nyina hu se Nyankopon ko ye ba kope na ne din Jesus
Amen.
hallelujah na we we are we shall instead of say we na dan ko instead of say osura ke ni o be ka ne instead e ka whatever is up to you no Christ